Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this Hydrastar electric over hydraulic actuator for disc brakes. It has a 1600 psi output pressure. Application for this is single, tandem, or triple axle trailers that use disc brakes. As we mentioned, the maximum output pressure is 1600 psi and the power is 12 volts DC. Now this is an electric over hydraulic brake actuator. It's going to activate your trailer's hydraulic brakes when you apply the brakes in your tow vehicle. Now a brake controller is required to send that signal from your tow vehicle to this actuator when your brakes are applied. Those brake controllers we do sell separately on our website. Also, a 7-way trailer connector is needed to transmit that signal from the brake controller. Again, if you need the 7-way trailer connector, we do sell that separately. Now this is going to offer improved functionality when it's compared with surge brake couplers. It's going to give you a lot faster response time because the trailer brakes are triggered when you apply the brakes in your tow vehicle as opposed to when your trailer pushes against the hitch ball. Also with this, there's no need to manually lock out the brakes when you back up. The trailer brakes can be intentionally activated when you reverse. And they do have a manual override on the brake controller that also can be activated so you can engage the trailer brakes without having to apply your vehicle brakes. This does use electronic proportional pressure valve to ensure that the braking is smooth and effective. Right over here you can see they have this vented end plate which will release pressure, moisture, and heat in order to protect the internal components. This will allow the actuator to be mounted in places where most actuators would overheat. Up at the very top right here offers a bleeder screw that'll let you easily flush out any air out of your brake lines. And the whole unit is a durable extruded aluminum, provides corrosion resistance. This is compatible with any standard 5 amp hour battery breakaway kit. If you do need the breakaway kit, again, we sell that separately. This part is DOT, Department of Transportation compliant. Now this unit will install on your trailer frame and it connects to your trailer's wiring and the hydraulic brake lines, which are all sold separately. Now to mount this, the mounting hardware is not included. You would have to supply that. In the very back here where this red cap is, when you remove this red cap, you'll have a 3/16" inverted flare fitting that you hook your brake line to. The wire configuration on this has 4 wires. Black wire is 12 volt power, blue is your brake controller, yellow is your breakaway, and white is your ground. Last thing I want to give you is just dimensions, the width on this. And if I turn this up, you'll be able to see it has tabs on here that you'll mount with. So the overall width we're going to measure from this tab to this tab is going to be right at 11 3/4 inches long. The width, the widest point, is going to be right at 3 inches wide. And the height from the bottom to the tallest point is the cap here. So that's going to be 7 3/8 inches tall. But that's going to do it for a look at this Hydrastar electric over hydraulic actuator for disc brakes.